traders, welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. So first let me show you today's date and time. So today is 23rd of February 2021 and currently time is 9:49 am. So traders, coming on to our today's trade, I have taken a trade in Asian Paint for the sell side and I have shorted two quantities. You can see traders here. So I entered here and my stop loss is above this swing high and my target is this, which is the next support for this Asian Paint. Okay traders, so it is now performing well and there are chances that it will hit our target, and we are aiming for risk reward ratio of 1:3.8. Okay traders, so let's see what happens. So now I'm pausing the video, and when it will show some good momentum I will update you. So traders, here you can see after giving momentum towards downside in the morning, the stock went sideways, you can see here, and after this sideways market it tried to go upside, which triggered our stop loss. So unfortunately today we had booked some loss which is very small, so let me show it to you. So this is my trading terminal and here you can see my loss is 41 rupees of today. Okay traders, so this is our today's trade. Let me explain you the setup which I was trying to do over here. Okay, so this is the time frame of 1 hour. Okay traders, so here you can see a triangle pattern was found which I did analysis of it yesterday. Okay traders, so a pattern is forming here. Now coming on to 1 minute time frame. So what happened in the morning, it gave the breakdown of this triangle pattern. Okay traders, so what we did, we made a trend line here, and when it gives the breakout of that also, we entered over here with our target which was of next support, but it didn't happen and the stock became sideways, which resulted in triggering of our stop loss. Okay traders, so this was our today's setup, and that's all for it today. Now I'm not going to take any other trade. Okay traders, so I hope you learned something from this video and enjoyed it. So thank you for watching the video and have a good day.